So guys, yes, in this video I'll be talking about the stocks to trade for tomorrow and also the Nifty 50 levels for tomorrow, that is support and resistance level for tomorrow, and the two stocks which I have selected for tomorrow's intraday trading. Yes, so I'll be telling you about the tomorrow's thing in this video, so make sure you watch the video till the end to get all the information. And tomorrow's Nifty 50 support and resistance level which will help you also, I'll be telling you. Okay, so watch this video till the end to get all the information regarding this. And before that, if you're new to my channel, subscribe to my channel will be amazing. If you're new to my channel, you can go inside my channel and watch all the videos. There are a lot of educational videos, strategies, tricks, tips, and a lot of things in my channel. And also every day I upload like how much profit we made and on what stock we traded with the profit proof every single day. So if you guys wish to earn consistent profit like this in intraday trading, you can join my courses now. We provide NSE and MCX trading course. The course prices are very less and reasonably priced. You can check all of the details in my blogspot, that is trading0.blogspot.in. The link is in the description below of this video. So many of the people has got into my trading program and now they are making money consistently, and even the people who had losses are now starting to recover their losses. You can watch all of these things with the earning proof here with the ledgers. And if you guys are interested and motivated to make consistent profit like this, you can join us today. Okay, so once you join us, you will be getting lifetime support and live market guidance also. I'll be teaching you guys personally how you can make consistent profit in intraday trading. Okay, so if you guys wish to stop your losses from today and want to learn how to make consistent profit like this, you can message me now on the WhatsApp number displayed on the screen to get in touch with me and to take the course and learn how you guys can make consistent profit from today. And also these are the advantages and benefits what you get once you join us. So once you join us, you will be able to earn consistently in trading. I'll be teaching you 95% accuracy, unique and secret strategies with no indicators. And also I'll be teaching you a very good timing and discipline what is needed. Just by spending only 15 to 30 minutes per day, you can make 10% profit on your capital. Okay, that is, you can earn 1000 rupees per day with the investment of just 10,000 only. And also I'll be guiding you with a very good money management system and a risk trading system. And also, as you guys know, my course prices are very less and reasonably priced. So guys, yes, by being said that, now let's talk about the support and resistance level for the Nifty 50 for tomorrow. So you can see previous day the Nifty closed at almost 17852, so the 17,852 is a high made somewhere around there. Okay, so now talking about the first resistance level for the Nifty is around 17,850. Okay, so that is where the first resistance level is there, around 17,850, and the next resistance level is at 18,010. Okay, so somewhere around 18,010 there's a next resistance level. And talking about the support level for the Nifty right now is at 17,756 is the first support level, and coming down to that 17,683 is the next support level for the Nifty 50. Okay, so these are the support and resistance level for tomorrow's intraday trading. So these are the resistance and the down thing are the support level. Okay, so this is the support and resistance level for tomorrow's Nifty 50. And now let's talk about the stock what I've selected for trading on tomorrow's. Okay, either of this stock I'll be trading tomorrow, and here I have not decided I will be buying or selling. You can watch that in my tomorrow's live intraday what I trade. Okay, once the market opens, I'll decide whether it's a buy or sell and how the market and how the stock will perform. So let's talk about first stock. So Kotak Mahindra Bank. So Kotak Mahindra Bank is at a good support level here, if you guys can see. So it has touched a support level, and from there the buyers has come up, and yesterday it has closed in a good green volume. So that's why I'm considering this stock. And you can see this stock has opened at 1775.25 and closed at 1790 and made a low of 1756 on a previous day, so which is giving a good movement. You know, Kotak Bank 1700 rupee stock, so it has a good movement. So let's see how it will perform tomorrow. So I'll be trading on Kotak, or the next stock is Tata Consumer. So Tata Consumer is at a resistance level as of now. So if that resistance level gives a breakout here, then it's at a good bullish movement, or if the resistance movement acts as a stronghold, then we can see some of the bearish movement happening in Tata Consumer stock. The stock might come down. So anyways, once the market opens tomorrow, I'll be trading on either of the stock and will decide whether I'll be buying or selling. Okay, and I made on the previous day in this Tata Consumer stock was 819. It opened at 810 and made a low of 804, so it just went like almost 9.9 points up, almost close to 1%. So yes, this is how the movement has been on the previous day by Tata Consumer stock. So anyway, let's see tomorrow what will happen on either of these stocks. And if you guys want to get exactly what I trade, exact levels of where I buy and where I sell, you can join my course. I'll be guiding you guys. Okay, I note this video is only for educational purpose. I'm not telling you to trade or invest on these two stocks. I'm just telling you according to my view, and this is what I am trading. Okay, so if you guys want to learn all these techniques, and if you guys want to get the exact levels of where I buy and where I sell, you can join us. And once you guys join us, I'll be guiding you all the things. You can message me on the WhatsApp number displayed on the screen to get in touch with me and to take the course and learn how you guys can make consistent profit in intraday trading. The course prices are very less and reasonably priced. So if you guys wish to earn all the techniques and make consistent profit like this, you can join us today. You can go into my channel and watch all the videos. So every day I upload like how much profit I made in intraday trading, so you can watch all of this performance, and you can also see my client screenshot of profit in my blog, which I've given in the link in the description below of this video. And if you guys are motivated to make consistent profit from today, and if you guys wish to learn the good techniques to make consistent profit from today, you can join us now. You can message me on the WhatsApp number displayed on the screen. So thank you guys so much for watching this video. Have a good day. I'll see you in the next one very soon.